We will tell you the 7 tips to become rich secretly. We also have a bonus tip at the end, so watch this video till the end. Now let's start. Number 1. Stay frugal. Maintaining a frugal lifestyle is crucial for wealth accumulation, as it allows individuals to save and invest their resources wisely, all while keeping a low profile and steering clear of unnecessary scrutiny. Maintaining a lifestyle that is below your financial capacity enables you to direct additional resources towards investments, debt reduction, and saving strategies. This methodical strategy facilitates consistent growth of assets while maintaining a low profile. Practicing frugality encourages a disciplined approach to finances, minimizing impulsive buying and enhancing thoughtful spending habits. By focusing on essential needs rather than discretionary wants, individuals can enhance their financial decision-making, leading to more effective spending and increased savings potential. Moreover, practicing frugality fosters a sense of humility, steering clear of extravagant expenditures and status symbols that could draw unnecessary scrutiny. To maintain a frugal lifestyle, it's essential to implement strategies such as monitoring your expenses to enhance your spending efficiency, developing budgets that focus on your essential needs, and making informed investment choices. Focus on reducing debt by prioritizing the repayment of high-interest loans and consider establishing various sources of income. Consider adopting a strategy of mindful consumption, taking advantage of public libraries and free resources, and preparing meals at home. Steer clear of extravagant purchases and symbols of wealth, and develop a mindset focused on long-term growth. Number 2. Embrace the mindset of an affluent individual. As you aim to accumulate wealth, it's crucial to adopt the mindset of those who have achieved financial success and to grasp the implications of that perspective. While Hollywood may portray the affluent as individuals who lavishly spend their money, the reality is that many everyday wealthy individuals practice a level of intelligence in their financial habits. Understanding that the path to accumulating wealth involves intelligent spending is essential. It's straightforward. You cannot enjoy both options simultaneously. In their pursuit of financial prudence, these individuals prioritize obtaining excellent value for their expenditures, refraining from spending as a means of self-affirmation. One does not require an extravagant new vehicle to boost their self-esteem, nor is it necessary to possess the largest residence in the neighborhood. Eliminating certain psychological drivers behind spending can facilitate a more effective path to wealth accumulation. Subscribe to our channel and also press the like button to know more tips to become a millionaire secretly. Number 3. Remove all unfavorable debt. Numerous individuals find themselves facing challenges due to the use of unfavorable debt. Individuals often rely on high-cost debt, such as credit cards, which can impose interest rates exceeding 20% annually, to finance their purchases while carrying a balance on those accounts. Given that level of interest, the balance can increase rapidly, leading to the accumulation of significant high-cost debt while having limited assets to demonstrate for it. Eliminating the burden of unfavorable debt can significantly enhance your journey toward wealth accumulation. Certainly, many affluent individuals utilize credit cards. However, they approach this financial tool with a sense of responsibility. It's essential to identify the most advantageous rewards credit cards, maintain responsible spending habits, ensure timely bill payments each month, and effectively accumulate those valuable rewards points. In numerous situations, individuals can expect to receive 2 or 3% back on their monthly expenditures, and this is achieved on purchases they would have made regardless. Therefore, it truly represents an added benefit, but it requires proper monitoring at the same time. Number 4. Utilize beneficial debt. Taking on good debt can be a strategic move that adds significant value to your financial portfolio. Favorable debt refers to affordable financing options that support the acquisition of valuable, enduring assets like a home. Real estate generally increases in value over the years, and securing long-term financing enables the buyer to stabilize their payment structure for up to 30 years. This advantageous debt secures your mortgage payments at a stable rate for many years, even as housing prices continue to increase. Upon the conclusion of your mortgage, you will possess a significant asset, all while residing in it for many years. Favorable debt should be manageable and facilitate your investment in an asset that has the potential to increase your wealth in the long run. It's important to recognize that even low-cost debt should not be utilized for unnecessary daily expenses. Number 5. Prioritize saving consistently. To achieve wealth through hard work, it's essential to ensure that your expenditures are lower than your income, allowing you to save effectively. Individuals who have successfully built their wealth have achieved this, including those earning average salaries. Although a higher income can significantly aid in wealth accumulation, it's important to recognize that no income level is immune to expenditure. Establishing a consistent saving discipline is essential for wealth growth. Without it, progress may be limited. Your savings are fundamental to building your wealth. In the initial stages of wealth accumulation, one of the most effective strategies for enhancing your financial foundation is through diligent savings. As you accumulate wealth over time, you'll find that your investments can grow at a rate that surpasses the pace at which you can save from your earnings. Number 6. Allocate resources towards assets with significant returns. Individuals aiming to build their wealth often seek out established high-return assets, including stocks and stock funds. Maintaining an emergency fund in a high-yield savings account is a prudent strategy. Additionally, focusing on long-term investments, such as stock funds tied to the S&P 500 index, can be beneficial, as they have historically provided an average return of 10% annually over extended periods. Although stocks may experience significant fluctuations in the short term, they tend to demonstrate a strong performance over the long run. It's crucial to adopt a long-term perspective with these investments. An emergency fund is essential for providing security for you and your family during unexpected situations. It enables you to preserve your long-term investments, allowing them to continue growing over time. An experienced professional can assist you in identifying high-return assets that align with your financial goals. Number 7. Make consistent investments. Investing involves a strategic approach rather than simply allocating your funds to the market at a single moment. By maintaining a consistent saving strategy, it's essential to contribute to your investments on a regular basis to ensure the growth of your financial portfolio. This strategy, known as dollar-cost averaging, can effectively mitigate the risk of investing your entire capital at an inopportune moment in the market. By diversifying your entry points, you can mitigate the risk of purchasing at market peaks, allowing your wealth to appreciate steadily over time. Number 8. Collaborate with a professional to ensure you stay aligned with your financial goals. An expert in financial matters can be a significant resource in enhancing your financial growth. An experienced professional can assist you in identifying suitable investment opportunities and developing strategies tailored to your financial objectives. A key benefit of having a knowledgeable professional by your side is their ability to keep you committed to your long-term investment strategy, especially during challenging market conditions that are bound to arise periodically. Maintaining your investment strategy, even during market downturns, can help you sidestep the pitfalls that many investors encounter when they exit the market in challenging times, ultimately protecting your wealth building efforts. An expert can assist you in making informed planning decisions and protecting your valuable assets for the benefit of your heirs. Now, watch the video appearing on the left side to know the passive income ideas that could make you rich. These passive income streams will help you to earn more money. Also, subscribe to our channel to know more personal finance tips.